Hey Griffin, look what Daddy's got. What's that? You know who left that? The Easter Bunny left that for you. What are you going to do with that? Are you going to search for some eggs?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, that's going to be fun. Here. Maybe we should just take you down so you could do that right now, hey? Is that Easter basket?
Yeah.
We're going to find them.
No. No.
No. No what?
No bunny
No.
eggs.
No bunny eggs.
Griffin, the bunny eggs are yummy.
Yeah.
That's what I heard.
Daddy,
Yes, Griffin.
bunnies.
Yeah, we're going to go get the bunny eggs.
Oh, yeah, fun.
Oh yeah, fun.
No.
There's none in there right now, but we gotta go look for them.
Oh, yeah. No bunny eggs.
Yeah, we're gonna find some bunny eggs.
Oh, yeah. Fun.
The bunny eggs are made of chocolate.
Wow.
Yeah, you haven't really had chocolate yet, so you don't even know how awesome that is.
Baby.
Okay,
Bunnies.
you grab your basket, Griffin. And when you find eggs, you got to put them in your basket, okay? Let's go see if we can find some.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah. Do you see any eggs? Griffin, do you see any eggs? Look.
Do you see any more?
Oh, Griffin, look.
Oh wow!
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
did you find more?
Yeah.
Are you going to put those in the basket?
Help.
You gotta find all the eggs first, and we can eat them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Griffin, look, there's some more. Is that one? Geisha.
Hey.
More eggs?
Yay!
Are you going to pick them up and put them in the basket?
Oh, he's trying to eat through the tip. We gotta put them in the basket, buddy. Here we go. Come put them in the basket.
Bias.
Okay, you put them in this basket. Yay! Good job! Yay! Oh, pretty cool.
Mush. Yummy.
Griffin. Here, let's go get more eggs.
Yummy.
I don't need any more. I got these ones, which are delicious.
Yummy.
You like those ones?
Yeah.
Let's wrap them up and we'll save them for later.
Come on, look.
You go there.
Wow.
Wow. Can you get that one?
Wow.
More eggs.
Yay! Here's another one.
Geisha,
Hey,
she's
hey. Helping herself.
Yeah.
Hey,
Griffin, look.
pull it down.
Wow.
Hey.
I have a funny feeling she grabbed some from the other side of the ledge earlier, and we just didn't notice because Hannah put some there for sure. Oh, Griffin, look. What's in the window? Do you see what's in the window? Look over here.
Whoa!
Whoa! You find more? Griffin, look in the window. What's in the window?
Wow! Look!
Is that a book?
Is that a book? That's actually a chocolate bunny. Careful.
What?
That's from the Easter Bunny.
Wow.
What do you say to the Easter Bunny, Griffin? Hey, what do you say to the Easter Bunny? You say, thank you, Easter Bunny.
Make a bunny.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
That one for later.
Help.
We'll put that one on the table for later. Do you see any more eggs over there? Look all the way.
Griffin, look.
Wait.
More eggs.
Yeah.
Who left all the eggs here? Where'd the eggs come from, Griffin?
Should we put them in the basket?
Wow.
Wow. Griffin, I see a few more.
Wow.
Whoa. They were hiding.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Bunnies. Bunnies.
Yeah?
Wow.
That was yummy.
Yeah. Yummies.
You gonna try one?
Okay. Yummy. Yummy. Yeah.
Is that delicious?
Yeah.
Can you say delicious?
Delicious.
What color is that one?
Good.
What color is it?
Good. Good. Eggs.
Colored eggs. What color is the egg?
Yummy.
It's yummy color?
Yummy color. Yeah.
Is it yummy blue?
Yummy blue.
Yeah.
Yummy blue.
Lucky boy. Did you find all the eggs?
Yeah.
Did you?
Wow. 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Mickle.
Oh, you know where there's a couple more. If the dog didn't get to them already, there's one on the floor by the fridge and then one.
Wow.
Okay, Griffin, say goodbye. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bum, bum,
Say-
Mommy.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Yay! Good job, buddy.